If you hold her, she will also come with you. It's offer. It's okay. We didn't start still 12th, no? No problem. I will give some of the formulas. Write down that formulas. Now today we are going to do problems on that problems. Okay. See, generally you know stationary waves, right? What is stationary waves? So stationary waves, Prajwal. Stationary waves only nodes and antinodes. That's all. What are stationary waves? It will be like this. After it will be like this. Okay. Uh, so same uh, same velocity, same frequency, same wavelength, and everything, right? Beats means not same frequency. There is a difference in the small frequency. Okay. There
Good
is a
evening, sir.
difference. Good evening,
I was just
Prajwal.
out, so
Yes, ma'am. Okay. So beats means there is a small difference in the frequencies. Small difference, not very large. So that small difference is nothing but beats. So if you want to hear the beats, definitely one each for each and every beat 1/10 seconds that you have to wait to listen to one more beat. Time gap should be 1/10 seconds, means 0.1 second that you require to listen the second beat. Okay, so beats and stationary waves mostly same, but in stationary waves frequencies and everything will be same. Beats small difference will be there. Okay, number of beats per second is nothing but a small difference in the frequencies. Number of beats per second is nothing but small difference in frequencies, like f2 minus or f1 minus f2 equal to number of beats per second. No, just I'm giving formulas, just or sudden drop in the frequency, but not very. Raise means very yeah, small changes, small changes in the frequencies that you can see in the beats. Okay, write the formulas. These are the last and final formulas that we left. We didn't do much problems on problems. No, after this lesson, you mean, right? Ask properly, Risha. Now I can call you. Tell me. After this lesson, I feel like to do oscillations because waves and oscillations generally similar. So when we are doing waves, that time only we have to do oscillations also. Otherwise, again, it will become. Mhm. Tuesday you have test. This Tuesday mostly you have test. You have to write one test. Three tests will be there. Okay, one is whatever we did, everything that you can do very easily. C K set level. After NEET level, JE level, all three tests you have to write. Huh? But you have to write all tests. Why? You'll get more confident to like more questions that you can see.
so when are these
No, no.
tests?
Tuesday mostly. We are going to conduct test from Tuesday onwards. It will start. So three tests everyone should write. Mm, yes. After that, it is a day oscillations test. After completion of oscillations, 19th. No, what is the day today? 11, 12th. It won't get over. They started universe. Tomorrow. Tomorrow. Let's see. Tomorrow we will see that. Where? Yeah, you have class in school. 2 days you will go to school, right? No, tomorrow and day after tomorrow evening you will come to class. Why? Is it? Listen carefully and come, okay? Because what you are listening again, I will ask questions here. Then I will start. Listen carefully, lesson in the school. I will ask questions, sir. What do you listen? From that, I will ask questions, sir. You have to answer. So that means you are understanding or not, I can guess, no? Torture only this year. What you did enough last year. Uh, uh, Still, she's waiting for Saturday. Oh, tomorrow we have no class. Friday, Saturday. Mostly I don't use for Saturday also. Today only enough. Resonance formula only. Formula I will give resonance. Now we don't need to study what is resonance. Everything we need to write. Write the formula. So you understand which given equation is representing wave or not to find what you have to do. Suppose one equation I given y is equal to a sine omega t something I given. Is it wave or not to represent? Is it wave equation or not? To find what will you do? What you have to find? Which of the following equations are representing wave equation? They will have dou square y by dou t square equal to some constant k dou dou square y by dou x square. That you have to. Okay. That tells that it given equation is representing wave or not. Uh, I don't know. Sine, cos. The two, so amplitudes you have to take. Resultant amplitude you have to take. Multiplication won't be there. No, no, it won't be there. We'll see. We'll check. Okay. Omega, okay, right. One formula. The speed of traveling wave. Formulas. Yes. No, this is not at present. Write the formulas first. Okay. So which sums are there on that formula? I will tell you. Solve properly. Okay. Try to solve by using that formula. So one is what is that? What you written? Speed of traveling wave. Speed of traveling wave v equal to f lambda. This is only speed of traveling wave. Already we did sums also. Okay. Next, speed of traveling transverse wave in stretched string. Speed of transverse wave in stretched string. That is v equal to root over t by mu. Transverse wave in stretched string. Okay, that you have to remember. Stretched string. String, if they give, you should remember tension, and it is mostly in the solids. Mostly in the solids. Okay, is the string. Okay, the speed of transverse wave in solid. Now in solids, if you take, it is the string. Okay, if you take in solids, it will be root over eta by mu. What is this? Did you see this type of term anyway? Most of the persons here, they written like, you suppose elastic limit, if they give elastic limit definition, they will give they will write for yield point or yield definition, they will give they will give for elastic limit. So this and all they will write in the examination. So what is that lesson? Elasticity, mechanical properties of solids. There, did you do you know Young's modulus? That Young's modulus. Eta is Young's modulus. Okay, so many members here, they written very nicely. Mm. Is it? Okay. Fine. Okay, leave. Last year over, no? Leave. Tell me, ma. It's no. Reynolds number also we will represent. Here, you should remember here, solid. Solid means here, Young's modulus. Young's modulus, why? We can write. Okay, na? So here I represent Young's modulus. Young's modulus. Two formulas. One more. Very sorry. It's mu. It is a rho density. Reynolds number means it decides the flow is streamlined or turbulent. By using that number, we can say if it is the 1000, it is streamlined. 1000 and 2000, it is more than 2000. That flow can be means it will convert into streamlined flow. Can be converted into turbulent flow. Turbulent flow may not convert. Velocity like number, just one number they have given. Based on the numbers we can say which in given flow is streamlined or turbulent. It is in the solids, density of the solid and Young's modulus. Okay, one more. Speed of longitudinal wave. Speed of longitudinal wave, it is before you written transverse wave. Now you are going to write speed of longitudinal wave. So speed of longitudinal wave. Longitudinal wave means it is not in the solids, it is in the fluids, you know, right? Longitudinal wave, crest and trough won't form. Here what? Compressions and rate fractions will form. Getting? So it is fluids. So fluid means Young's modulus. What we will take? Bulk modulus. Like bulk modulus by density. This is the speed of volume. For what? Volume is a volumetric uh, Young's modulus, bulk modulus, shear modulus. Okay, write down that formula. In solids, if you take in solids, equal to root over in solids, it is so speed of longitudinal wave in solids, speed of longitudinal wave in fluids. Fluids, bulk modulus, whatever they have given, that is for fluids, and it is for solids. Fluids, solids. Young's modulus, when you are saying, that's for solids only. Longitudinal wave, it is here. See, longitudinal wave, suppose if it is moving in the fluids, it will be the value. If it is moving in the solids, how to represent longitudinal wave in solids? Generally longitudinal waves will travel in the fluids only. Okay. Mm. Speed of transverse wave, that is only Young's modulus only. It is also y. I told you. Same formula is same. Density. Root of same. Even for transverse wave, even for longitudinal wave, in solid same. In solid same. Okay. Newton's formula Laplace correction, did you remember? Newton's formula Laplace correction, first year, very famous question. Speed of wave in air according to Newton, p by rho. But if you calculate, you will get 280 or something, it will be wrong. That correction given by Laplace, that is
Wait,
gamma.
speed of what?
Speed of wave.
Which wave?
Longitudinal wave.
Okay.
So velocity of sound in gases, it will be like that. Okay. Pressure, gamma is 1.4. Gamma value is 1.4. and its rho. Problems we didn't solve, no? Mm. Newton's formula, Laplace correction, very important question that I told that time. So, sometimes luck, no? It is school paper, no? It's not boards. And here importance is your importance we have to know how much importance that we have to give you. Right, next. Right, next. Factors affecting it is the velocity of sound according to Laplace. No need, it is wrong actually. Here you will get 280 meter per second, which is not even nearly so much percentage is less. It is correct value that you will get. So use this only one formula. It is the speed. Mm. First b by rho, right? But according uh, b a na, no, b suffix a na. Bulk modulus only, that is b. After what happened, Newton, he will give the formula for velocity of sound. First, velocity of longitudinal wave, they given b by rho, right? But Newton calculated, he assumed something isothermal process. It is like that. So he given that formula, he changed and he given root over p by rho, which is also wrong. That time Laplace come and he will say that it is not isothermal process, it is adiabatic process. That time he will give root over rho p by dense. Sorry, gamma p by rho. Mm. Write down one more formula. Factors affecting velocity of sound. So velocity of sound depending on which factors? Velocity of sound. Factors affecting velocity of sound. Important formula. Okay. So velocity of sound formula is what we now, velocity of sound formula, what you have to remember? Velocity of sound. Which formula? Velocity of sound root over gamma p by rho. Velocity of sound. Velocity of sound means longitudinal wave. Huh? Sound, yeah. Sound waves are longitudinal waves. Okay. Uh, Gamma equal to 1.4. Mm. Hey, we have to consider. Now if I ask Prajwal and they will say yes sir, you given like that. 1.4, gamma is
What?
1.4. We will Prajwal, I don't know that you attend to this class or not. See, previously Newton will calculate root over p by rho, so he will get 280. After what will happen means Laplace, he will say even gamma.
No,
There
no,
gamma
no, I
equal to
haven't seen.
1.4, right? You have to multiple with this, then you will get a 320, 332 nearly you will get.
No, I might have not paid proper attention.
Now, correct that. Now, gamma equal to 1.4. Online effect. So factors affecting on density means how it will be affected by the density. What is the relation between velocity and root of density? That V is inversely proportional to root of density. So here suppose a V1 by V2, something if they have given, how will you write this? Root over rho 1. So remember this. Yes. Next one. Effect of pressure. Velocity of sound is affected by the density like this. Not directly. Pressure. Right, pressure. So pressure formula is what? V equal to root over now effect of pressure. Effect of pressure. So pressure when they are mentioning, you have to remember this formula. That is gamma P by rho. Since rho equal to mass by volume, substitute that. So V equal to root over gamma V P by M. Okay, that is also important. So PV equal to constant here. So V equal to constant. M also constant, gamma also constant. PV equal to constant, no? It's a V is volume. This formula also problems are there on this formula. One more. Effect of temperature. Effect of temperature. How temperature will be affected? Effect of temperature. Same formula, one formula, just we are rearranging for the problems purpose. Okay, so temperature like V equal to, I'm going to think about the temperature. So V equal to root over gamma P by rho, right? Since PV equal to RT, from this this one, one more only. NRT n equal to 1. N equal to 1. So from this we can P equal to RT by V, substitute. So temperature you can find, no, now. Write down that. Substitute that. So V equal to root over gamma RT by rho V. And rho into V? Yes, this is also one more formula. Bernoulli's principle, how many times we said important? I think it got fine. Pressures of vapor. Okay, na? What about effect of humidity? Humidity, like if humidity is increasing, density of the air will increase or decrease? Density of air. So density of air increasing, then velocity of sound? Velocity of sound decreases. Inversely proportional. Density and yeah, inversely proportional for them. Hmm. That are the formulas. Now we are going to solve sums on that. One more formula, right? Beats. Beats. So beats formula, right? The number of beats per second. Beats. The number of beats per second equal to difference in frequency of two sources of sound. The number of beats per second. The number of beats per second is equal to the difference in frequencies of two sources of sound. Of two sources of sound. Two sources of sound. Open the PDF. Open the questions once. Mm. F2. F1 minus F2. N by second. Just a second. Number of. Right. One more formula. One more formula. Right. One more formula. Intensity of sound. One more formula. Please write down one more formula. Intensity of sound is equal I equal to half rho a square rho a square half rho is the density. I don't know numerator. Oh, half rho. I didn't say by, half rho a square omega v. Capital A square. A is amplitude. Omega is what? Angular frequency. V is the velocity here. That formula. Mm. Okay, write down. So problems. Open the PDF answer. Problems. Yes. Yeah, I'm telling. I'm telling that. Mark it first. So 56, 57. 70 did you solve? 70. 70. Check once. 71, 70. 70. Mark that. 71. 71 we did. I guess we did. No, no, we did. I told you that is equal to one of this. Same. Now, mark that 76. 76. 70. 80. 76. 80. 81. 82. 83. 84. 85. 86. 87. 93. 85. 90 also. You can solve even 90 also. 85. 90. 90. 92. 93. uh, what is Hoekstra? Mm, directly. Mm. 92. 93. 94. So 94 we solved already, I guess. 95. 95. 96. 97. 97. Up to 97. And some more 101. Wait. 97. Okay. Mm, number of beats we can do now. Yeah, do that. Start doing. Remaining i- mm, remaining intensity formulas and all you will get in the wave optics when we are discussing in the second year. All the questions that you will get in the wave optics, intensity terms, everything, phase difference. 131. 131 you can solve. What is that? That is based on frequencies, Doppler effect. You can solve that 131 also. Mm. 131, 150, we need to solve that. Yes. Mm. You can solve 135 also. 70. Level 2 will be mostly similar only. Level 2 also same everything is same questions only, same formulas. So next time onwards what I will do, I will solve level 2. Level 1 you have to solve. Better, no? At least at home you can. Mm. Mm. Okay, Saturday we will discuss that level 2. Mm. Level 2 35 only, no? Yeah, we can solve. Then you can go to exam, just you can take test, you'll get idea. Mm. Mm. Bhargav, do you have a PDF, Bhargav? So 70, question number first. Standing waves will be formed their superposition. K, take the K formula. K equal to 2 pi by lambda. So you will get k value is pi by 3. 70, question number 70. After you have to take angular frequency. K equal to 1 by 3. Pi by 3. I guess now fan is working, no? It's not working now. Okay. $70? 76 question, intensity. They're asking ratios of intensity. The given frequencies, you can calculate. The given intensities, and they're asking frequency, not angular frequency, linear frequency they are asking. Intensity ratio. 3. Question number 70. No. Prajwal? Hello, Prajwal? Is it time? Only one he is. No one is there. No one joined. Anirudh joined, but he won't join with
No,
audio.
sir, I'm here.
Hmm.
I just went, sir. My mom called me and I just came back.
Okay, okay.
Did you ask me something? Sir, did you ask me something
Yeah,
already?
question number 70. Try to solve.
Okay, sir. I'm sorry, sir. Just my mom just called me for
It's okay.
something.
It's okay. Solve. First, you have no time. Your parents won't come now. I know. Solve first. This year, see, once if I start second year, how it will be? Waiting. Hmm. 76, huh? Shall I solve 76? Read the question. 76 easy. You will get there. Tell me what they got, 76. No, here what they have given. Tell me. F1. Read the question. So 400 is the first. Second one is what? 1000 is 200. Amplitude is constant. Ratio they are asking. So intensity
You're doing
first
the
if it
70th one or 76th one?
it is 76 now.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, 76. I equal to here. What is the relation between I and the frequency? F square. I and frequency can be F square. Relation between intensity and frequency. Because omega is equal to 2 pi F. Directly proportional. So I 1 by I2 equal to F1 square by F2 square. I1 by I2 if you do. If you do I2 by I1, it will be different. Do I1 by I2, you will get what are the answers they are asking. Velocity is not constant, but we relation. We want the because what they have given frequencies. Velocity of sound will be constant, no? Because intensity of sound it is intensity of sound, no? So Bhargav, I think he is waiting for second year.
Is
No,
it? Is the
yeah,
answer?
because she is waiting for 12th standard to start. Once if he starts, she will attend. Tell me, Prajwal,
No, no, no. I didn't get the correct one. There's no option for that.
is it? What is the option? So actually, if you do
No, is
this,
it 9 by 1? 9 is it D? 9 to the power 1. I got like 1 to the power 9. Like,
okay. So yeah, maybe most I think it is I2 by I1.
yeah, that's why it should be I2 by I1. So if you do that way, it'll be 1 by. It's
Option D.
squared, no? It's squared, yeah. So you get
Decimal.
9 to the power 9 ratio 1. So how do we know for sure if we're supposed to use I1 by I2 or
No, no,
I2
no.
by?
The ratio they ask from it is increased from 4 to 12, right?
Yeah, so it should
So
be
that is
I2 by
final.
I1.
Final is 12, right? There is more, right?
Yes.
So 12 by 4.
Yeah. So it's 9, it's the D option.
Yes, D is the option. Here, it having no square. I having no square. So you won't get in root. If I square, I1 square by I2 square, if it is there, whatever the answer you are getting, it you will get in terms of root. Otherwise, no. Mm. 80 first question. She has 80th question. What you got 80 first 80th question? 927. So, right? Check once. 80 question. So, speed of sound. So, what they have given? Uh, uh, so tell me what they have given. Read question number 80. You will get 27 degrees Celsius. When they have given in degrees, must you have to convert into kelvins. So 227 plus 273. So you will get, and velocity of sound is directly proportional to any option is related. To raise this speed 4 times, you have to raise temperature 2 times. Answer given 2 times. To raise temperature, sorry, to raise the temperature velocity 2 times, temperature you should rise 4 times, because root, no, velocity when it will become 2 times, when temperature should be 4, then it will velocity equal to 2 times. Waiting for parents. Waiting for parents, I think. Why? S- Headache also. What happened? What are the options? Add 273. Both sides square it. Both sides square it. T, both sides, if you square it, root will get cancelled. Try like that. 273. No, answer is what they're asking. To rise velocity 2 times, how many times you have to rise the temperature? So answer that you have to write 4 times. Prajwal,
Yes, sir.
did you solve Prajwal?
80 is one.
Yeah.
That I've done.
Mm. 8. Question number 81.
I'll do so. Just a minute.
Wait. 81. What is that? Wait. Pressure and temperature same. Mm. We know and okay. Okay. So pressure, temperature, and then what is the formula we have? Constants, mass. So V inversely proportional to 1 by m naught. VH inversely proportional to mh, and it is not its root. What is the velocity formula? That is very important. We discuss no PV equal to constant. Then it definitely depending on the mass. So you can do now. What ratio they are asking? VH by V naught by VH or VH by V naught? Hmm. Mhm. Ratio you have to do and you will get fine. Option? How much? 4? Correct only. Next question. Question number 82. 82. Correct only. Wait. V naught by VH. Root of It's inversely proportional. See, start 82 ma. 82. 82, right? You are doing what you are doing 82, right? Actually, this all we have to do in first year. Hmm? Okay.
So the audible range is from 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz, right?
Yes, ma. 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. Yes, this year very serious.
What?
I'm shocked. Yeah, just a second. Eighty. Read the question. Read the question. 80 second, ma. So temperature of the temperature. So 1% if it is drop. Velocity, how much? Right? What is the relation between velocity and temperature? Root T. So V is nothing but 1 by. So if it is 1%, 99 by 100 into, yes, into T. Check that. Um, 0 point. mm, yeah, it's percentage only. T is nothing but root. Velocity is nothing but T power 1 by 2. So 1%. Can we write is 3 by root 11. Small for small percentage change in V. See, it's a small percentage. One more you have to remember here. Okay, for this type of sums, small percentage change, small percentage change in velocity, equal to half of the percentage change in temperature. Remember this point. So this type of questions, how much? 0.5%. So remember this point, because percentage questions when they're asking, you can do that. Hmm. Intensity, temperature, yeah, medium temperatures will be different. We no need to say it will change, because mediums are different. Medium temperatures will be changed. So in wave, there is no temperature. It won't change. Pressure, obviously. Frequency only won't change. Hmm. No, 1%, no. Small change in percent in velocity, half change in, so temperature percent is 1 by 2, so 0.5. Small percentage change in velocity equal to half of the percentage change in temperature. How much percentage they given? So 1 by 2 into 1. So 0.5. 0.5. Next question. 83. You can solve 83. Solve 83.
So now we'll have to go through all the Doppler effect ones also.
83, yeah?
No, later on, we'll have to do all
Yes,
the Doppler.
yes. Tomorrow, means Saturday, I will explain level 2. Mostly I will complete the level 2. So 34 questions are there. In that 15 questions only I will solve. Remaining questions I will give homework. Like similar problems I will give homework. Then level 1, level 2 is completed. So Doppler effect will be there. That on the Doppler effect, some problems we will solve. Done. You have to go through the test. Now one more test. Oscillations.
Okay, sir. And after oscillations, 12th.
Yes, after oscillations 12th. That
Okay.
time and you are going to come to class offline class also.
Me.
Yes,
Okay.
it's better, Prajwal.
Yeah,
Yeah,
sir.
direct class is a very different than online class. See, I am able to concentrate on you when these people are in front of me.
No, it's fine, sir. I don't necessarily have any doubts in this
Yeah,
chapter.
yes, ma'am.
That's fine.
Mm.
Wait, sir, but we didn't do okay, you did thermodynamics when I wasn't attending.
What is that?
No. You did thermodynamics when I wasn't attending. I had exams at that time.
But we did thermodynamics some problems, no? We discussed so most of
Yeah,
the
with
problems.
me you did some.
Mm.
So you're muted.
Prajwal, start 85th question.
85th one.
Yes.
Okay, I'll try. I'll try.
We don't hear, we don't want to leave any small things also. Everything will concentrate. We will take care.
So,
Prajwal, solve 86th question. Don't solve 80, 85. 85 is kinetic theory of gases.
oh, that's what
Yeah, yeah. Because the diatomic oxygen and helium, that
oh,
gases will.
that's what only I wasn't getting it. So
86
86.
solve, you will get. Read carefully 86th question, you will get idea.
Okay, sir.
86th. Proof is important. Yes. No. What you have to find out finally, if you read the question carefully, what you find out? Distance you have to find out. First d1, how much you have to calculate? So one is 2 into 2 seconds. So 2 into d. Time equal to distance equal to velocity into time. So d1 equal to velocity into time. So 2 into 4 into velocity. 6 velocity how much? 340 into 6 if you do 340 into 6.
Is it 680?
How much, man?
680.
No.
No.
Distance is
Wait,
10.
the distance between the two hills will be 680, right?
Yes. Distance between them is 680.
Huh, so
Distance
correct.
6. Why 6? Oh, you took velocity is 330.
So it's written 340.
Yeah. No. 680 correct only. Distance between them is d1 is 340. D2 will be
So both will be same only, so it's 2 seconds only in both.
distance, but final distance between the walls
680.
they're asking.
So
Distance
it'll be
between the
340
walls.
plus 340, 680.
680 plus 340. See, walls, right? One distance is 340. Second distance between them is 680. So distance between the walls they're asking. So 680 plus 340. That is only the answer. Find out how much distance it is. For it is. Other.
So is there no answer key or something?
Yeah. Answer is correct only, like 680.
Oh wait, sir, I found the answer.
Tell me now.
1 second.
Read the question carefully.
This is the 86th one, right?
86.
It says D.
680 seems.
Sir, I told you it's 680.
Next one is 2 seconds. First one is
No, sir, it's 1020 only. According to the answer key, it's 1020.
subtract distance between
This is no. According to the answer key in the end, it's 680 plus 340 only.
Yes.
1020. I thought it was 680.
Okay. Check once.
Yes.
Saturday we will solve level 2. Okay, we will close.
Okay, thank you.
Everyone, so many questions is solved enough. Doppler effect solve.
We done, sir.
Resonance. Okay, resonance small concept that I will teach you. By
Sir?
Saturday we will complete this lesson. Okay, Prajwal.
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you.
mostly if similar problems are there, I will give homework. Difficult problems are there that I will explain to you here. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Anurit, we should not give because now still he is there.